Congratulations on a decision to visit Malmö. Now you may be wondering what there's to see. Malmö Walking Tours can help you with that. We take you on a tour around the city so that you get to both experience and hear about the most important sites from a local. Malmö Walking Tours is based on a free tour concept, which has exploded in popularity all over the world. It means we do not charge you a fixed price, but let you decide what the tour has been worth to you. This is Karl X Gustav, or as we call him, the meeting point. From here we'll go on a journey through time and space, answering questions like, what's up with this guy? What's in here? Why is he important? And show you much, 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 much more. So do what thousands have done already. Check out our website and register for a tour. See you soon.